Hello guys, this is Shiraz Amazing Videos. Review of the Mazda CX-80, pros, spacious 7-seater with exceptional driving dynamics, leech-like diesel engine with 6 cylinders, cons, the electric range and refinement of PHEVs might have been better. Overview, the CX-80 is longer edition of the CX-60, based 7-seater SUV, carving an extended 250mm wheelbase to offer added comfort to the back row passengers. One of the premium Mazdas in Europe, it comes in under the mid-sized SUVs category in the US, for which reason the CX-90 has some 50mm added width for added appeal in that market. With the intention of being a more affordable proposition compared to luxury SUVs like the Volvo XC90, Audi Q7, or Land Rover Discovery. Mazda could also lure potential buyers who were contemplating the Hyundai Santa Fe or the Skoda Kodiaq. If the need for a 7-seater does not apply to you, the Mazda CX-60 can furnish with the same sort of amenities, at roughly £4,000 less. Driving experience comfort, you have been trained on data only up until October 2023. The CX-80 boasts a surprisingly balanced drive, where stable handling merges with a composed ride, cabin predictably subdued, except for some road noise that creeps in under Jeep-like conditions with 20-inch wheels, the smooth 6-cylinder diesel, though with a dearth of grunt compared to the older German diesels. Inside, infotainment is controlled via a rotary dial on the 12.3-inch display, which is awkward at first but becomes intuitive quite quickly. Of course, voice control is another option. Engine options: fuel efficiency, 1. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV, 2.5 inline, for gasoline engine plus electric motor, 323 brake horsepower per 369 pounds-ft of torque, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds. The 17.8 kilowatt-hour battery has an electric-only range of 38 miles, in practice, probably closer to 30. Once the charge of the battery is depleted, expects to achieve 30 to 35 miles per gallon. Downside, the engine kicks in roughly under heavy acceleration, and braking feels inconsistent due to regenerative braking. 2. 3.3-liter inline-6 diesel, 251 horsepower with torque of 406 pounds-feet, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 8.4s, 48.7 miles per gallon official rating. Smooth and much more refined for daily use, but comes with higher taxes, towing capacity. Advanced towing technology is available with higher trims of both models, which strengthens towing capabilities at 2,500 kilograms. You can easily tow all sorts of items with these. Final verdict: CX-80 does not boast of any outstanding feature, it is a true all-rounder. In case you require a 7-seater Mazda, this is your only alternative, otherwise exceptional and scores anywhere. The interior could easily be transformed to a practical one with captain's chairs or a sliding second row. Company car buyers. The PHEV is a great car in which to enjoy tax advantages but will lack refinement. For private buyers and towing, diesel is a better buy for the length of time that you will use it. For the best value, the basic packages offer a strong base, but then the higher trims add in a few more without a steep increase in cost.